Meet Nina Nightingale. Today she's cleaning her nest, but with a smart sorting twist. First, she finds sleeping items, pillows, blankets, and a tiny bedtime lamp.
These help her rest, so they go into the sleep basket.
Next, Nina finds eating items, plates, berries, and a cute tiny spoon.
These help her eat, so they belong to the eat group.
Then she finds playing items, balls, bells, and her favorite feather toy.
These make her happy, so they go straight to the play basket. Now it's your turn. Sort objects into play, eat, and sleep containers.